This is how to record a 4K video on your iPhone. First, go to Setting. In the search bar, type Grid. Then press Record Video. Select 4K at 60 frames per second. Recording videos in 4K and 60 frames per second will result in a higher and smoother resolution. Keep in mind that recording videos in 4K 60 frames per second takes more storage. If you are a guy who constantly records videos on your phone or would like to record your phone in a higher and smoother resolution, then you should consider getting at least 256 gigabytes when you buy your next iPhone, as it would be more convenient for you to record videos without constantly fearing your phone storage will get full. If you bought an iPhone with a 64 gigabytes storage capacity, you should be aware of your storage availability. Let's just say if you want to record a basketball game using 4K and 60 frames per second, you will not be able to record the entire game. Your storage will likely be full before halftime or maybe even before first quarter. However, there are ways that you could still record highlights in a high and smooth resolution with a 64 gigabyte storage capacity iPhone. Check the video in the description. In the next video, I will be going through how to record vertical video and horizontal video at the same time on your iPhone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.